then press the top one.
Press top one.
Yeah.
That's right.
Is it flashing? Yeah. Have a look. Have a look.
What I'll do is I'll crouch in the middle and you can all
Right, now you're recording.
Oh, we should make
The thing will go off in a sec.
Yeah.
Then you can like spin it to the middle.
Hey, Stu. Smile,
Hey man!
You always get shot there.
Fuck off.
I saw this. Oh, how much does this usually last? Like
2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah.
Are you filming all this to get on your video as well?
Yeah.
You can upload it like that as well? Nah, we'll edit it almost.
I won't. I'll upload the whole thing.
I
can't be asked to fucking edit.
Hour and a half and most of it's just this. Yeah. I'll edit mine. Fucking, you don't have to edit, do you?
No, I do. I just can't be bothered.
Oh, yeah. Well, I think it's like a Battlefield 4 video up, but it's fucking 2 hours long.
Just to watch a
I've got one
fucking
video
30-second clip.
I've got one video on my channel that's like an hour and a half long. That's my DayZ one. The other one's like... Oh, I'll try to limit it. It takes 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
You need a pee, Davin. Do it that way.
Yep, I'm thinking as well. Why do I always get fucking put on point? Exactly, so if I get shot, you're always got to be easy to suppress.
What guy was at the rear? Well, we go well. What? Fucking can work.
This is not going to work. We're going to walk into an ambush.
Barrett.
Spacing, guys. Spacing. Alright, I've got my filter straw.
I'm guessing stop you to press the top button again.
If what?
Stop it, recording, press the top button again.
You press it twice.
No, that's just off enough.
Oh no, leave it on for now.
If I want to stop it recording, press it once.
No, press it, then wait a second, and press it again.
I just put it completely off.
Oh,
I think stop the recording.
Why?
Oh, no.
just keep it on, mate. Just leave it on. Just leave it on from now.
That's what I'm doing. I mean, whenever I want to stop it.
Yeah, but why would you stop it?
I'll put it like this.
No, fuck that. Just keep it on. Or you fuck about with the camera all the time.
Grab it there, Evan, in your medic. See if you can get some cover over there.
Contact rear.
Medic.
don't know where he is though. That's Buru. He's sniping. Where? No. Contact front, running backwards. Run straight forward. Careful, he's fucking good on his sniper, mate. Guys, Buru's still forward. Yep. Oh. Taking us right off point here, mate. Taking us right off point here. Yeah, it's full of fucking brambles though, mate. Yeah, come on. Who's that forward? Okay. Alright. Don't know if he was behind that fence, huh? Oh man. Down. Moving up.
Contact front. 3, 12.
Whereabouts, Dav? Yeah. All right. Contact front.
Contact front!
Whoa! Taking shots. Contact front, boot rope. Yeah, hit tree. Don't know where it was though. Back in the bush, mate. Back in the bush.
Yeah, go on.
Buru's on your right, guys. Careful. Thing is, he's going to come around the back. Oh, fucking hell.
What's your name, mate?
Shoe.
Stu, keep that right side covered in case he decides to can't double back.
Which way? Right, let's go down this way. Yeah, he's just pushed back. Hey? Go on. One o'clock Buru somewhere. Yeah, I think that was just a shot from over there. Can you see him, can you?
Yeah, straight ahead of you.
What, 12 o'clock, yeah? You see him?
Right over for it.
Yeah, yeah, watch your head. Yeah, it's behind the tree. I think there's another one of theirs coming down this way. You're 11, mate. Just behind the tree.
Left.
Shots fired. Contact your 11 o'clock. Where the fuck's he going?
You left it.
Your left. That's up. Taking fire.
What's that right there?
Are you dead here?
Huh?
No, it's alright. Someone's in them bushes, isn't they? There were shots coming in from over this way as well, but I couldn't tell you where from. Oh fuck. That was Buru. He shouted it. Buru running to your west. 100 metres front. Right, I'll go do them. Right, leaving my gun here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Go in the game.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Have him back in.
Seriously.
Was he?
Are you dead?
Get your kill rag out them. Everybody sights on Buru. Shoot him. Well, push back. Yeah, okay. Guys, what do you do? Go up. If we go up here and push in, okay. Yeah, I didn't realise he was coming this far back. Look at him, coming to see how many of us there is. How many he can pick off with one round. Can't you, I was going to say, can't you get somebody to talk on it, but... Yeah. No, it's only fucking hear somebody on it. Yeah, that was me.
That's when you caught it off that one.
Yeah, just one went. I'm gone. See you later.
Wait. Hey, Scott. Cheese. Yeah. Never takes his fucking hits. I don't see no kill rag. Shoot him! Guys, which way are you going? Well, we're gonna curl round, all right?
Yeah, we'll be the cannon fodder.
Yeah, all right, bud. Just watching me all taking up fucking. Whereabouts?
See that guy, that digger? Comes to head 3 o'clock.
Well, I think we need to start pushing in that way. That's the dark woods.
Yeah.
Where? I've got sun glaring in my eyes, mate. I can't see.
12 o'clock. Behind that dead guy.
Can't see him. I've got both of them, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
There's another one.
Whereabouts?
You want shooting?
Yeah.
Just there.
Oh, that is dead. Pushing up, yeah?
Yep, in.
Hold on. Yeah, there's another one moving my 12 o'clock, right to left. Too far away for me to get a shot on him though.
Push up on the right hand side as well, mate.
Yeah,
Put this down for the top.
yeah, push in. Yeah, go. Yeah. Yeah, go for it, go, 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 go. You're right, you're right. Two enemy going left to right, 30 metres away. Come on, come on.
Just made us back here. This guy just made us back
Yeah.
at the end. One directly in front of us.
Look at them in their fucking suits. Where are they counting?
See these logs here?
Yeah.
Behind these logs is a clear line done.
Alright.
Back right, Trevor. Congratulations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back in the game.
Oh fuck me, did I get you? Yeah. Jesus, never even didn't see you there.
That's about
Yeah. Two going right to left.
Straight to left.
Yeah, they're reviving. Step to your left, mate. Yeah. Go, go, go. They're moving down, moving down.
Out. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I got Buru.
7, 8, 9, 10. But in the game. Thanks.
He's dead, isn't he? Oh, is that?
Does anyone know when they're actually fucking in?
Yeah, there's one directly to your front.
Got 'em.
Yeah. Careful because fucking they'll be all stuck together like fucking glue.
I'm going to book out to the right.
Yeah, go on mate, give you cover. Give you cover, you ready?
Right, go ahead and see it. Where is he?
I don't know, I'm giving him cover. Well, at least Buru's down, that's a fucking good thing. Oh god man, my fucking glasses are steaming up the fuck.
Is that ours?
Yeah.
There's the fucking power pin, huh? Is that the one coming in?
I think so, yeah. No, he's dead, isn't he? He's got his cover out. Sorry! Buru's back in. Fuck's sakes.
Try and get some.
Left, right.
Buru's back in.
I could try and make a dash and get our guy back in.
Yeah, but Buru's behind that tree, mate. I'll just take you out.
What's he?
Straight forward still.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shots coming in. Yeah, I've got shots coming in this way. Fucking hell. Careful, shots coming in from your left. Oh, fuck's sake.
Magazine.
Right, go, go, go.
Yeah.
Right. I'm going to go try getting back in over there, right? My gun's behind you, so be careful.
What's up?
My gun's behind you, I'm going to go get him in over there. Not him over there, this one behind. Go, go, go. Brennan.
Yeah.
Yeah, Boo-Roo's gone off to the right. Fuck.
Having hit.
Yeah, hold on, change your mag.
Do you want cover?
Boo-Roo's off on the right. Boo-Roo's there. He's gonna get my fucking legs, I know he is. Oh, don't. Where's my first? Hit! I'm hit. I'm hit! Hit. Watch my gun, watch my gun!
That was one of ours. Stand up.
Put it on floor, mate. I'm hit! Look! Rag! Fucking hell. Oh, fucking legs.
How your legs?
Fucking aching, mate.
It's alright, we can amputate them for you. You're off their service here.
Do it.
Let me get the axe.
Nice, clear. Try to hold it.
Yeah, they
He's only got me from behind, you was fucked.
Alright guys, let's get our security coming to step
I don't even know your arm doesn't even fucking pocket. So your reinforcements.
Will you take hostages?
Anybody else to focus key ring? Key fob?
Oh shit, yeah, it says.
That'll be me.
Says.
Fucking thing, you undone.
Oh fuck, where's all my ammo gone? Oh, it's over there.
Yeah.
Mine's on a bunch of key rings.
Here, mate, it's all here.
Came undone, so I never got caught in a fucking team, just came undone, you know.
Is that all that was in there?
Yeah, that's all done there, mate.
One out and then I couldn't get the
That was lucky.
Yeah, I'll do it right round.
Need that key, I'm putting in my fucking pocket this time.
Yeah, do you want me to put...
I've got a fucking bucket pocket at the top.
Yeah,
Do we know where the
you fucking lose that.
That's lucky.
trying to trade out the empties.
Mate, that's fucking...
Probably back there.
That was zipped up. I never went into that pocket.
I'm bleeding out.
I reckon a fucking tree's caught it. A branch is zipped up.
Possibility.
That'll be 2 minutes now, that.
Yeah.
Bleeding out!
Bleeding out.
Wherever's
Fucking hell, knackered.
And the empties go in the bag.
That was lucky if you saw that.
Yeah.
It must have just been where those fucking ammo bits were anyway.
Yeah.
They all fell together.
Well, I see them ammo bits when I was running over and I thought it was somebody's empty bag. I never saw the fucking screwdriver though.
I'm not fussing at screwdriver, I was going to fucking some pawn shop.
Oh yeah, but it's fucking khaki though.
Khaki, yeah.
Yeah, you need your fucking ammo, don't you?
Lucky I fell there in the open.
Uh-huh.